Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about socializing. In my opinion, the biggest factor that prevents people from socializing is the fear of what will others think. But remember this, people do not focus on your mistakes, they focus on how you make them feel. Most people think everyone's attention is on them, but in reality, everyone is thinking the same thing. I wonder what they think about me. So, think about someone you've known for a year. Do you remember the shirt they wore one random day, or the grammatical mistake they made? Or do you remember how happy or comfortable you felt around them? The logic is simple. Our brains forget details quickly, but they hold on to feelings, emotions for a long time. So, if you make the other person feel valued, then they won't care about whether you're perfect or not. Trying too hard to seem perfect can sometimes create a strong barrier between people. Mispronouncing a word occasionally or making a small awkward mistake and being able to laugh about it is actually a very strong social skill. It sends the message I'm a human too, I have flaws, and I'm not afraid to making mistakes around you. That immediately melts the ice between people. Many of us spend so much time trying to protect the image of the ideal version of ourselves in other people's eyes that we forget to build a real connection. But remember, people become friends with you not because of your diploma or diction, but because of the sincerity and energy you give them. When we think about socializing, many of us imagine being liked by everyone or being the star in every environment. But in reality, healthy socializing also means being selective. Sometimes we confuse the difference between knowing someone and friendship. That's why we put pressure on ourselves. Not everyone can or should be your friend. For example, having a pleasant 5-minute conversation with someone doesn't mean that you're suddenly a part of each other's lives. Trying to build deep connections with everyone right away can emotionally exhaust a person. If you're in a social environment and simply want to observe, that's normal too. To be a good conversationalist, you don't always have to talk a lot. Sometimes just being there, smiling, and answering short questions is enough. When you stop forcing yourself to make friends, communication becomes more natural. It's impossible for our energy to match with every person in the world. There are some people with whom conversations simply do not flow, no matter how hard you try. That's not your fault, not theirs. Your frequencies are just different. If communication feels difficult, do not blame yourself. Just stay polite and save your energy for people who understand you better. Sometimes we feel like the moment we enter a room that we must connect with everyone or earn everyone's approval. But the truth is that you are not the right person for everyone, and not everyone is the right person for you. Socializing is not a competition, it's a process of discovery. If someone in a place is reading a book you love, that's already an open door for conversation. Don't be afraid to ask questions. People enjoy talking about their interests. When you give people space to express their opinions, they start enjoying conversations with you. If socializing feels difficult, start with courses, clubs, or seminars related to your hobbies. There you are not a stranger because everyone already shares a common interest. When someone talks about a hobby and you know nothing about it, say, I don't know much about that, but it sounds interesting. Could you explain it a little? People enjoy being in the teacher role and sharing what they know. It makes them feel valued. The best socializers are not the ones who talk the most, but the ones who listen well. And showing someone that you are paying attention to them through eye contact or affirming gestures is very important. People don't want to spend time with someone who is only waiting for their turn to speak. They want someone who really tries to understand them. Many of us spend conversations preparing our next sentence while the other person is still talking. That's not an active listening, that is simply waiting for your turn. When someone speaks, give your full attention to their words, tone, and emotions. So, guys, this is the end of my video about socializing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, write a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.